What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, the best place for fitness, career growth and productivity. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 4 habits that you should follow on a daily basis for a more productive day. Do you find it difficult to focus on your work? Do you feel Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat is always on your mind and you are always scrolling to all the feeds on these platforms? Then after watching this video, I am sure you will become a productive monster. With that being said, let's dive into the video. So the habit number 1 is to keep your internet off before you go to sleep and try to get up early in the morning. Try to get up early by 5:30, 6 or max by 6:30, and as soon as you get up, please do not switch on your internet and do not start scrolling through the social media feeds. The reason why I told you this is because now Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat has an influence on our brains, and if in case we tend to watch a negative news on social media, the same will be reflected across the day, and we should not be looking into someone else's life as soon as we get up in the morning. This should not be our priority. So get up early, go to the washroom, brush your teeth and then head towards the gym. Now working out in the morning will help you to lose fat since you're working out on an empty stomach, and the other benefit would be once your workout is done in the morning, you need not worry about going to the gym or going for the run in the evening. At times your friends, relatives might visit your house, or you might be tired after your daily working routine. Hence, once your workout is done in the morning, you need not worry about anything, and then one task, the major task of your day, is accomplished. So this gives a positive start to the brain. So as a habit number 1, please switch off your internet and do not switch it on in the morning, and do not start scrolling through all the social media feeds. Rush to the gym and your focus should be towards getting a good morning workout and accomplishing one major task of the day. So the habit number 2 is to make a to-do list and write a deadline across it. If you can, try writing a to-do list before you go to sleep in the night, or if you cannot, you can also write it after coming from the gym. This is what I do on a daily basis. I come from the gym and I write a to-do list, and I also write a deadline across it. 11 to 12 I reach out to customers, 12 to 1 I do prospecting, and 2 to 3 I send emails to all the clients and prospects to whom I have reached out to. Now since there's a deadline across it, I also switch on a timer or a stopwatch when I'm doing that task. This gives a sense of urgency, and there's also a target in front of me that I need to achieve. So I am completely focused on that task, and once that task is completed, I tick off that task, so it gives a sense of accomplishment to my brain. Since I make videos, I need to write content for the videos, I need to shoot the video, and I also need to edit those videos. And if I have not written down, if I do not have a to-do list, I might tend to miss out on a lot of things. Hence it is very important to make a to-do list, and a very important point here is to write a deadline across it. So this was my habit number 2. I have started inculcating this in my daily routine very recently, and I am really liking it. So make sure you also include this in your daily routine, and you will turn out to be a productive monster. So the habit number 1 is to keep your internet off, go to gym, and habit number 2 is to write a to-do list with a deadline. So my habit number 3 is to keep your phone aside. Now this point is very important to each and every person who's watching this video. Try to keep your notifications off. You can keep your phone on a silent mode, or the best thing would be to keep your phone aside while you're working, so that those Instagram, Facebook notifications do not disturb you while you're doing some important work. Now, as I mentioned before in the point number 1, Instagram and Facebook has an influence on our life, and we are just going to go on that platform and see what he or she is doing in her life, and our mind will start comparing us as a person to that person, and this would be a complete waste of time, and we will not feel good about it. Hence that is the reason why I recommend not scrolling through the social media feeds throughout the day. This is what I do on a daily basis. If you want, you can use this technique. I basically delete my Instagram and Facebook application before going to sleep a night prior, so that the next day those applications do not disturb me. And if I feel like scrolling through those feeds, I need to go back to the Play Store, reinstall those applications, which is a lot of work, and I end up not reinstalling them when I am working. So you can use this tip if you want, but I know this is a lot of work, but then this is far better than wasting the precious hours that has been given to me, and I can be more productive, I can get more work done. Now my habit number number 4 is setting goals. Now these goals need not be big goals. You can write small goals. This is what I had written as my today's goals, and those were doing 100 leg raises, reading 2 pages of a book before going to sleep, and playing a guitar for 10 minutes. You can also write goals like not touching your phone before lunch, not eating junk food for the week. That can be a week's goal. In the similar fashion, you can write your own goals, and once they are completed, make sure you tick those goals off. This gives a sense of accomplishment to our brain, and you would feel that I have accomplished something in life. So it is very important to write your goals down and tick them off once they are completed. Successful people in the world do not become successful in one day itself. It is a process, things that they do on a daily basis. Hence, I recommend that you follow all the 4 points if you want to become a productive monster. I have not shared a lot of points here. These are those simple points which I follow on a daily basis. So here it is, guys. These are the 4 habits that I follow on a daily basis. Even you can follow these habits if you want to become a productivity monster. And if you have learned something from this video, make sure you drop a like to this video. And if you feel there are some other habits apart from the one that I mentioned in this video, make sure you write it down in the comment box, and I will try to inculcate those habits in my daily routine, and I will feature it in my upcoming videos. If you have stayed till the end of the video, I really appreciate your time in watching my videos. The main focus of this channel is to become more productive, more fit, and how we can grow more in our career. Now, when you wait for the next week's video, make sure you check these 2 videos out if you're facing issues with your hair, or if you do not know what to do after graduation. It was really nice talking to each and every one of you out there, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Much love. God bless you all.